I was introduced to Enzo Design Build through a friend of mine who had done a renovation with them. They were very happy with the results and they recommended them to me. Yes, I actually had a long list of preferred designers I wanted to work with, but based on previous work I have seen from Enzo and their transparent budgeting, I decided to go with Enzo. Yes, actually, the realtor who had sold me this place tricked me into being able to move the den's wall and turn my townhouse into a 2-bedroom. However, when we looked at the plans with the designer from Enzo, we just realized that we weren't able to achieve that goal just simply because there weren't too much space in the master bedroom. Their team instead designed a custom Murphy bed that utilized the den for the time I have guests over. I would say the kitchen and the fireplace. With the new designs, they added taller cabinets and increased my storage area. Also, we couldn't relocate the fireplace, so they reconfigured the framing and added depth to my living room. Zahara was amazing to work with. From day one, she understood what I wanted and implemented the must-haves I needed in my designs. And of course, they kept everything within budget. That was a really great help for me. Yeah, absolutely. I was lucky to find Enzo.